trouble writing professional emails, or find it hard to make an international conf call with suppliers speaking different accents? Whether you have some issues making phone calls with foreign customers, or whether you need English to travel abroad and represent your company and business internationally, WSET English is the best solution for you. Our unique method will make you succeed on an international level. Our goal is to make your business meetings smoother, your emails easier to write, and your conf calls and phone calls more efficient. With English, you will be able to communicate effectively and boost your corporate experience and career. We will support you to make your business grow, open new opportunities abroad, and make your international communication better.